Here's how you can delete your YouTube search and watch history on Android and iPhone. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Once you are in, tap your profile picture in the bottom right. Now, if you have multiple accounts, tap Switch Account and select the YouTube channel you want to clear history for. Once you have selected the right channel, tap your profile picture again, then tap the gear icon to open settings. Next, tap Manage All History. Here, you'll see a list of your watch and search history. Want to delete specific searches? Just tap the X icon next to any item. But if you want to wipe everything, tap Delete at the top, select Delete All Time, and confirm. And that's it. Your YouTube search history is now completely deleted. If you found this helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more useful tips.